guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be doing the black girl tag. I saw this video from another YouTuber that I'm subscribed to. Her name is Yvette. Shouts out to you, girl. So before we go ahead and get started, I want to thank you all so very much for tuning into today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when my videos have been uploaded. Let's get right into the video. So I have the questions here on my tablet. The first question is, have you ever been told you sound like a white girl? No, I've never been told that, not even when I did customer service. So no. Do you drink Starbucks? Yes I do, but not often. It's very rare that I drink Starbucks. Whenever I go there, I get the vanilla bean frap. I love fraps. I get a frap from McDonald's, Starbucks, wherever they have a frap, I'm getting it. Do people ever say you act ghetto? I've only been told that by one person. Yeah, one person, that's all. So, can you dance? I think I could dance. I've been told I can dance. So yeah, I can dance. Do you eat soul food? Girl, what? Yeah, I do. Collard greens, cornbread, macaroni and cheese, ribs, chicken sauce. I eat soul food. Do you go to a public, private, or charter school? I've always been in a public school, so no private schools for me. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Are we calculating the time it takes me to get out of bed too? If so, we're gonna go with 2 hours. Do you ever take selfies? Yes I do. And you can see that if you follow me on Snapchat. I'll leave my name right there so you can see all the selfies that I take. Have you ever eaten fried chicken? I mean, who hasn't? Who hasn't? Have you ever watched the movie Mean Girls? Yes, I have. What was it? And on Wednesdays we wear pink. What is your ethnicity? I mean, this is called the black girl tag, so what that mean? Do you always try to look good? I always try to look presentable. I don't go the extra mile. As y'all already know, I don't do my makeup. I don't do makeup at all. So I always try to look presentable. But if I'm going out, I'll put more effort into what I'm wearing or how my hair is. Let's see. Okay, so this has 20 questions. Okay. Let's see. Have you ever watched the movie The Color Purple? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. You sure is ugly. What are your average grades in school? Well, when I was in high school, let me see. From elementary to high school, I was a B average. B average, yeah. I was a B average. When I got to college, that's when I became a C average. Still, no, not too bad. Do you have a lot of friends? No, I don't. I can actually count my friends on one hand. So that's good, right? All right. Does your name have Isha in it? No. Have you ever dated a white guy? Yeah, that was back in, let me see. I want to say middle school. It was middle school. Are you loud or quiet? I consider myself to be quiet. When I get around you and I know you, that's when I'm a little bit more loud, I would say. So I guess I'm both. Do you wear weave? Yeah. And then it say, if so, how often? Every chance I get. I don't like wearing my real hair. I hate managing my real hair. That's why I braid it up, slap on a wig, style a wig, and keep it moving. I don't got time. I don't got time to be doing my hair every day. No. What black woman do you look up to? My mother. I look up to my mom, to be honest. To be completely honest with you all, I look up to my mom. I mean, who don't look up to their mom? Yeah, who doesn't? I mean, who else I'm gonna look up to that I see every day? And I see this woman every day. Black gel or jam? I'm gonna have to go with jam. Only because I'm natural now, and black gel just, if I want to slick down my hair, black gel will only leave waves in it. So jam it is. Do you roll your neck and or eyes? I roll my eyes sometimes, but it's not like, it's probably just that's it. Let's see. Are you light skin or dark skin? I ain't dark, I ain't light. I'm in the middle. Beads or rope twisters? What are rope twisters? I've never even heard of that. I'm gonna have to go with beads. Do I pat my head or scratch when it itches? I scratch. But if I can't if I can't get to it, I'm gonna pat. I'm gonna pat the hell out of my head. So my favorite black couple, as of right now, it's Tiana Taylor and Iman. They are so cute. Like, they love each other so much, and I'm here for it all day. Is my last no, what did it say? Is your natural hair long? I mean, since I've been natural, my hair is now at, when it's straightened, it's right here. So is that long or short? But when that thing, when I say the shrinkage is real, the shrinkage is real. Last question. It says, the last question is, do I have a booty? Twerk, twerk, twerk. Girl, wanna see you twerk. Money twerk. Yeah. I have a booty and I have hips, so. Are there any more? No. So, I'm gonna put a little twist on this. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to nominate somebody else to do this tag, and that person is Shay's Charming TV. Hey girl, hey girl. So I nominate you to go ahead and do this tag. I will go ahead and send you the link, and I will leave her channel link in the description box below, just in case y'all want to go ahead and check her out. So Shay's Charming TV, I nominate you next to go ahead and do this tag. Until then, we have come to the end of this video. I want to thank you all so very much for tuning in today. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until then, see you in my next one. Bye. Skin, hello gorgeous. This is for all skin types. Now I must say, I love how they have the steps on the back. I just love